All right, our next topic is going to be the Olympics. Now, the Olympic Games started way back, like thousands of years ago in Athens, Greece, and it was a way for the Athenians to impress the gods. They would have these games every year, and they would even sacrifice some of the winners to the gods in some cases, okay? But we're not doing that anymore, okay? So they want to bring back the Olympics in 1896. Athens wants to do it as a tourist attraction. They want to have it in Athens every year. But eventually they get convinced to have the Olympics in different countries all throughout the world, okay? So the first one's 1896, where we bring back, now it's modern sports. It's not going to be the old sports from 3,000 years ago or however long ago that was. So things like women's archery, okay? Curling, which is a really big waste of time. They had some really weird sports back then, y'all. Let's see. The U.S. has more medals than any other country in history, over 2,800. And it's by far, okay? We actually have a chart here. Now, one of your skills for LEAP test is going to be the ability to actually read a dang chart, okay? You should know how to do that by 10th grade. So, we look at it right here. Clearly, the U.S. is the winner. However, there's a little bit of a lie in here, okay, in a way. Not a lie, but a strange thing. Now see this Soviet Union unified team? They really were outpacing us for a while. They were doing better than us for a while. But then the Soviet Union broke up around 1990. Well, the thing is, if you know your history at all, the leader of the Soviet Union is Russia, okay? So if you would take Russia's medals and add them to the Soviet medals, and also take all other Soviet countries, which were there were 16 other satellite countries, you're going to get a lot closer to the American medal count, okay? But technically, this is true, all right? So let's move on. Let's see, here we go, another one. Medal achievements, this is another type of graph. We're not just teaching you Olympic statistics here, y'all. I'm teaching you how to read charts and graphs. That's the point of this, okay? So, number of gold medals, it says right here, right? 0 to 60, 2000, 2004, all the way to 2016. So if I asked you in 2008 who won the most gold medals, what would the answer be? Okay, well, that looks like China to me. 2008, most gold medals, right? Okay, so who won the least amount of medals, gold medals, in 2004, let's say? Now, that would be Great Britain down here, okay? So, out of all Olympic champions, nobody else has won more gold medals than Michael Phelps, okay? So this is Michael Phelps. He's an American, and he is a swimmer. He's won 28 total medals with 23 gold. And I think he's pretty much retired by now, but who knows? Olympic champions have come back. Now, other things that were weird about the Olympics back then is the weightlifting. The weightlifting was weird. I mean, today you have things like clean and press, you have squat, you have bench press. Those are usually the Olympic sports. Back then we had things like this, which is the one-arm bent press, okay? So you take a barbell, not a dumbbell, and I've counted the plates here. It's roughly 300 pounds this guy has on here. And you take the barbell and you lean it on your shoulder, and then you have to bend over and press it up like this with one arm. And that is ridiculous and it's very likely you'll get severely injured doing that. So that's your Olympics for you.